So today we are actually replacing 192 of the Waterford Crystal triangles on the ball behind me with a new pattern, the gift of wisdom. It's represented by a wheel with petals of knowledge growing ever forward. It's going to join the gift of harmony, the gift of imagination, the gift of goodwill, the gift of happiness, and many other designs to create a patchwork of hopes and dreams on that ball. The Times Square ball is clad with 2,688 Waterford Crystal triangles, and those triangles are in a geodesic shape.
This is something that we're incredibly proud of. And when you stand there, it's a 12-foot sphere. That's 2,688 of these beautiful Waterford crystal triangles that clad this monumental sphere. 200 million people in America, 1.2 billion people around the world watching, and Waterford Crystal is holding court right in the center as the world watches as we get ready for 2022.
The amazing design team at Waterford, they plan for this every year to come up with a new design. And when they create these beautiful, exquisite cut patterns that are on the ball itself, illuminated by over 32,000 LEDs, which create different colors. It's a kaleidoscope. It's actually a jewel in the sky above Times Square on New Year's Eve.
Well, everything starts as an idea. Everything starts as a concept. Something in somebody's mind triggers something very, very special. And then it begins as a sketch. And then we go into our production processes. Then we speak to the glass blowers, the cutters, the engineers, the marketeers. There's an entire team of people, not just this year, but dating back decades to bring it all together. But it all comes down to the craftsmen of Waterford Crystal. When we begin the process, take the molten crystal like I spoke about, create these wonderful cut processes, and then you pass it on to the next discipline, which is the glass cutter. And that's when the real shine takes place. Goes through an incredible level of quality checks. And this is the brilliance that comes out the other side. This is what the world knows and loves.